I took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind. I left my body lying somewhere in the sand of time. I watched the world fly to the dark side of the moon. I feel there's nothing I can do. Oh yeah. I watched the world fly to the dark side of the moon. After all, I knew it had to do something to do with you. I really don't mind what happens now and then, as long as you be my friend at the end. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, then will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side, my superhuman, my Kryptonite. You call me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will give you to full granted. All the times I never let you down. You stumble again and bob your head. It's not for me, then you be dead. I pick you up and put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, then will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my Kryptonite. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, and then will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my Kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, and then will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman, my Kryptonite. Whoa, no, 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 no. Whoa, whoa.